If you're experiencing high ping while playing Roblox, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help configure your settings for a better connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slow speeds. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth, such as streaming services, downloads, or other online games. This will free up your internet connection for Roblox. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections are generally more stable and can reduce ping compared to wireless connections. Step 4. Change server region. In Roblox, you can change the server region you're connecting to. Go to the game settings and select a server that is closer to your geographical location to potentially lower your ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the graphics settings in Roblox to lower levels. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve performance, which may indirectly help with ping issues. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your Roblox gaming experience and reduce high ping. Happy gaming!